Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how to make washi tape or designer tape at home. I am using three ways. First I am taking double side tape and cutting by the length of that. Now I am painting it with white acrylic paint. Here I am using the same design that I made for design clip die. Hey, we made it! In this die, we are going to use cello tape. Here, I am folding the tape and sticking itself to get double-sided tape. We can also use this method to get instant double-sided tape. Measure and cut as you wish for your own design. I am adding Fevicol to get glossy look. This method also got success. We are using the waste areas of sticker to make tape. Stick your design on the paper. That also got